Hello beautiful children, how are you? I hope you must be fine, taking care of yourself, and at the same time you must be giving few hours to your studies. Yes children, at least give 2 hours to your studies. If you don't children, then you will forget what you have studied in your previous class. So from your busy schedule or from your if you're not interested also, but force yourself to give at least 2 hours to your studies so that you don't forget what you have studied in the past. Now coming back to what I'm going to teach you today is lesson number 13, that is adverb. Now in your previous class you must have studied what is an adverb. So let's take a quick recap. What is an adverb? The definition of the adverb. What is it? An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective and another verb. So it is like adding a meaning to, it is modifying verb, adjective or another word, right? I have written some examples on the board. Now let's take a quick recap to understand it more clearly. Now number 1, I have written he was talking loudly. Now over here, first according to the definition, what it is that an adverb is a verb that adds meaning to a verb. So we look into the verb, we find out verb in the sentence, and in this sentence was talking is the verb. Was talking is a verb. Now it is the verb is modified how? Loudly, like loudly. So loudly is a adverb. Next sentence we'll see he quite competently answered all the questions. He quite competently answered all the questions. Now generally in your previous class it has been taught that adverb usually ends with ly, right? Any word, thoughtfully it becomes, right? Kindly it becomes. Humbly it becomes. So all these kindly, thoughtfully and humbly, they are what? Adverb, because they are ending with ly. So now in this sentence over here he competently. So now over here quite is what? It is an adverb. Quite is what? It is an adverb. Now quite is modifying the verb, the same verb that is answered all the questions, right? So we can say that competently is a adverb and quite is a verb, right? So this is how we first this is how we have learned how to find out the adverb. So what is an adverb? Let's take a quick recap. Adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of verb, an adjective or another word, or another thing you can say that it modifies the verb, adjective and adverb. Next children, we will see kinds of adverb, right? Kinds of adverb you must have studied in your previous classes also. Now let's take a quick recap of it. But in your course there are many the same kinds of adverb. There are about 8 to 9 kinds of adverb. But in your course we have only 5 adverb kinds of adverb. And what are they? Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree. So these are the 5 kinds of adverb which we are going to study in class 6, right? Now what is kind of manner? Kind of manner is the The sentence tells us how things happened, how the event took place, how the action took place. So if I say like, if I say come, he walked in quietly into the room. He walked in quietly into the room. Now which word is adverb? Quietly. So if I say quietly is which kind of adverb? So we can say he walked quietly. Quietly, like this thing. It says that it is showing the adverb. It is showing the manner how he walked. So quietly. So quietly is adverb of manner. He quietly sat in the library. So how he sat in the library? It is quietly, right? There are other words also like noisily, nicely. He nicely cooked the food. He nicely presented the work to the teacher. So nicely is telling how he presented the work, his work nicely. How he cooked the food nicely. So nicely is telling in the sentence is telling how. So in the adverb of manner we will be focusing how. The word how the incident is taking place. Next is adverb of time. Now adverb of time tells us when the incident took place. Like yesterday, today, fortnight. This thing after, early, they are all the words generally used for adverb, and these words shows adverb of time. Suppose I give an example. Yes, this thing I saw a movie, action movie last night. Now last night is what? Last is the this thing telling us when did I see the movie? Last night. So last night is the adverb. Now next is if I say yesterday it was raining. Now, so when it was raining? Yesterday it was raining. I had my breakfast after completing my work. When I had my breakfast after completing the work. So generally when you want to find out what kind of sentence is this, you question the sentence given to you like how, when, then it will state that time, like you will come to know that what kind of adverb it is. Next is adverb of place. Now adverb of place in the sentence, it indicates where the incident took place, where the action took place, right? So where, like generally the words over here for this thing, place is in, here, out, there. So these are the words. So let's take a look into the example. Like I sat at one place for 2 hours. Where I sat, I sat there for 1 hour. I sat here for 1 hour. So here, there. Where is the book? So I am questioning. Where is the book? It is stating the place. So the question which is stating the place is this thing is called adverb of place. Now adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency in the sentence indicates tells how often things occurs, how often action takes place, how often the incident takes place, right? So we'll look into the example. He seldom comes to school. Now certain boys in your class, they don't come to school. He seldom comes to school. So how often he comes to school? Seldom. So seldom is telling us how often he comes to school. He seldom talks to others. He seldom talks. So it is telling that seldom means rarely. So how often he talks? He seldom. So now next is I rarely see him outside. So rarely, when it is telling, now rarely means like not often he comes out of of his house. So it is telling how often how often he comes out of the class. So whenever the sentence is indicating how often something happens, then it is adverb of frequency. Now next is and lastly is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells us how much. So how much. So if I say how cold it was last night, it was extremely cold at night, last night. So extremely is what is telling us how much it was cold. So you can say that the sentence is adverb of degree. She has a beautiful writing. So beautiful writing. Beautiful is modifying an adjective. So over here, how often? Like it tells us about an adverb. Now next example we can say for adverb of degree that he is the most intelligent boy in the class. Now he is the most intelligent most intelligent boy in the class. So how intelligent he is? Most means he is exceptionally good in studies. So most intelligent, it is telling us that it is the adverb of degree. Now children, we will see the formation of adverbs. Now how the adjective word turns to adverb. When the word ly is added to adjectives to form most adverb of manner. So ly we usually is generally like mostly like ly is added to adverb of manner. Like we see over here, quite, quietly, quick, quickly. We have added ly without removing anything at the end. Sweet, sweetly, neat, neatly. We simply add ly to the word adjective. Next rule we will see when an adjective ends in consonant. You know what is consonant now? Now how many letters do we have in English alphabets? 26. Now in that 26, how many numbers of vowel is there? 5. Right. So if you remove 5 vowels from the 26 alphabets, we are left with 21. So 21 is what? 21 is the consonant. They are called consonant. So when an adjective ends in consonant, we add y at the end or remove y and add ILY. Now when the word is ending with consonant, we either add y or we remove y, not with all this thing where it is necessary. So we will remove y and add ILY. Let's take a example. Like it is quiet. Quiet. Q-U-I, quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. So it is ending with the consonant T. So we will simply add ly to make it adverb. Now this word heavily. Heavily is also a adjective. Now if you want to convert it to adverb, now we will see the word is ending is with y. Now we will remove y and we will add ILY to it. Right. So this is ILY, HEAVILY, heavily. So in some of the words that is ending with consonant, they have either y or they end with ILY. Now next we will see adjective ending in E. Any adjective word that is ending with E, we remove the word E and add ly to it. Like example, simply, simply, right? So it is ending with E over here. Now we will convert it to this thing adverb. We will remove E from here and add ly to it. Simply it becomes. Next you see double, double, double. So it is ending with E. So we will remove E from here and add ly to it. It becomes doubly. Now next is that when an adjective ends in IC, any word that is ending with IC, we will remove the IC, we are just simply going to add ALLY to it, to the words ending with IC. Let's say, take an example over here. Basic, 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 it is ending with IC over here. It is ending with IC over here. So, to convert it to the word basic to adverb, we will simply add ALLY. Right? ALLY as per to the rule. Right? So, it becomes basically. How do you pronounce? Yes, basically. Now, next is drastic. DRASTIC. Now, drastic is ending with the letter IC. Now, to convert it to this thing adverb, which letters we are going to add? ALLY. So, it becomes DRASTICALLY. It becomes drastically. How do you pronounce it? Drastically. So, this is how children we convert the adjective to adverb. So you simply keep this rules in your mind, and you will be able to convert the words to adverb easily. Now children, we are going to study the position of adverb. Now where do we find adverb or add adverb in a sentence? Where do we use adverb in a sentence? Right. So we just now we have studied the 5 kinds of adverb, and what are they, children? Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, and adverb of degree. So first we are going to look at adverb of manner. Now generally in a sentence, the adverb of manner, in adverb of manner, the adverb is placed at in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Right? In the adverb of manner, adverb of manner and the adjectives are generally used at the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Let's see an example. Like over here I have written, they ran quickly. Now this is at the end of the quickly is an adverb. So where it is placed? It is placed at the end of the sentence. Now they quickly ran to the shop to buy something. Now over here quickly is an adverb. Now where it is placed? It is placed at the middle of the sentence. This is how we place the adverb of manner in a sentence. Next is adverb of time. Now adverb of time is generally placed at the end of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. In 2 places we add adverb in adverb of time, that is at the end of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. Let's look into the example over here. It is very hot today. So which word is the adverb? Today, because it is telling about the time. So you find that today is at the end of the sentence. So hence it is proven that the adverb of time is placed at the end of the sentence. Next is, today it is going to rain. So it is a prediction So today it is going to rain. Now today is an adverb. Now today is adverb of time, and where it is placed in the beginning of the sentence. Now this is how we place the adverb of time in a sentence. Next we will see adverb of place. Now adverb of place, where do we place the adverb of place in a sentence? We generally put it at the end of the sentence or at the middle of the sentence. Let's see an example over here. The wind rode outside. Now outside is an adverb, so it has been placed at the end of the sentence. Now over here in writing, it is like outside the wind rode. We cannot say over here it is in the beginning, but it is generally we use at the middle of the sentence. Now why outside is in the beginning of the sentence? Because if I say that the wind outside rode, it is an incorrect English. So the proper way to say is outside the wind rode. Next is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency means how often the incident is taking place or how often the action is taking place. So the adverb of frequency is generally placed at the beginning of the sentence or at the middle of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence. Now over here, sometimes I lie awake the whole night. So over here, sometimes is an adverb and it is used in the beginning of the sentence. Now next sentence, I usually wake up early. So over here, usually is a what? It is a frequency, the adverb of frequency. So it is used in the middle of the adverb. This is how we place the position of the adverb in a sentence. Now last is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree, what we have studied, it tells us that how often the incident is taking place, occurring. So the adverb of degree is generally placed at the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Let's see some example over here. I am very excited. Now excited is a verb, but it is telling how much I am excited. So very. So where it is placed, so it is a degree of the adverb of degree, but where it is it is placed in the middle of the sentence. Now over here, I agree with you completely. Now completely is a word, is an adverb of degree, and where it is placed at the end of the sentence, right? So this is how we use to place the adverb in a sentence. So I hope children you have understood. Now I will be attaching the PDF of this lesson and the previous lesson, children. Please make sure that you complete it in your copy. But before starting your work, what did I say? Please write down the syllabus. So have a good day, but at the same time complete your work.